Yeah, that's right. We're gonna try to fly upstairs. I'm a little bit scared that maybe the wind will do it. Such a nice weather, I don't want to go outside of the hotel today. I'm just gonna sit here in the jacuzzi the whole day. It's the first time though. Yesterday I didn't manage. I didn't have time. So now the drone is back and it works. Day 2 of my trip here in Barcelona. I didn't have breakfast there because I played with the drone upstairs, and I had I had a lot of fun with the jacuzzi. I'm gonna try to find some churros. This is no dessert as we think, but the Spanish people eat this for breakfast with chocolate. I'm not into chocolate so much, but I mean, I should try. Like Mika and Angelo.
Angelo, okay.
In the middle.
Ah, in the middle.
Yes.
Angelo in the middle.
Yes.
Can you come back in later?
What do you mean later? All right.
If you can come back in 1 hour, you can come back. I will 8 o'clock.
No, I need a cabby because I'm filming and I need to.
Wait here.
But I got to eat some churros and maybe half an hour.
Yeah. I try.
Hasta luego.